How to clear Messenger cache. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I'm back here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can clear Messenger cache. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the settings of your device and now search for the option of apps and click on it. Again, press on Manage Apps. Now search for the Messenger app on the search bar. Once the Messenger app appears, click on it and now you will be directed to the app info of Messenger. Now as you can see on the bottom right corner, there is the option of clear data. Just click on it. Once you click on it, two options will be appeared on your screen. Press on the option that says clear cache and again confirm the process by clicking on OK. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can clear cache from Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.